So last night I removed this storm window right here. It's the one over top of the bay, so we've been working in this area. And we ran into something. I don't think I've ran into this yet. Maybe I did, I don't know. Can't remember running into it. And that is the strips. If you look here, it's tight to the window here, right here. And you see the gap here, about a 1/4 inch right there. And if you go down through, it gets less here, and we get a gap here, and then it comes down to the bottom, and then it's even with this here. So I think what happened is the storm window was too long to go into here, which you don't want it in there anyways. We also got this piece of metal here, so they put metal over top of this, but I don't know why that's there, so that's got needs to be cut out. So I think what I'm going to do is get a measurement and then cut a wider strip, because I don't want the window, I want the window supported, and then we'll bring all these strips, they'll be out even with this edge right here, right there. So we got a little, we got to cut some strips, and then we can work on this window some more. But right now it's secure, so we're good. And we're almost ready to caulk here. Got a little, I'm sorry, we are going to caulk a little bit more, and then we're ready to prime. So that's coming good. And then I pulled off another storm window over here. So I'm going to scrape this one, prepare this one. And this one we're coming along really good on. I'm ready to, I was letting this dry out some more. It's pretty good now. Thank goodness it's fur, so it's taken a lot of beating from water. Maybe I should put some aluminum there. We'll see. But otherwise, this window's, you know, the top is all in really good. There's going to be no air gaps in there. The bottom still moves up and down decent. I probably should check it this morning, but it did yesterday. Not as good as what it used to, but it works okay. Okay, so we have to go around this corner here. So it's a little tight over here, not a lot of space, so I gotta be careful. But I removed this storm window. Now this one, the wood is fine. The storm window was in correctly, everything's good. Pretty beat up down here, and got a good gap there on the window. The glass is a little loose, but still holding in there. The top one, so it all needs to be scraped. So that's what I'm going to start on now. Put the mask on, start scraping this, preparing this, and then maybe once that's caulked and drying, I need to work on finishing up this corner here. And to do that, I think what I'm going to do is get my long ladder out, put it down there, and see if I can lean against something up in here. Can't lean against the window, but maybe I can, I'm not sure. I got to lean against something so I can work on that safer. And then we'll try to finish that up. I can't get all this done today, but if I can get a bunch done, then next visit it can all come together more. And we're ready to paint this. So there's quite a bit of painting I can start doing now. Okay, making improvements. By the way, this was initial color we were going to go with, because we had seen that the house had this color on it, a little bit darker, but we decided not using it in the front at all. So we did use it on the garage a little bit on the back side. We don't want to waste the paint. It looks good, but we're not using it here. So that's, you know, color's going to change there. Okay, let's get scraping.